Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So as you see by the title, I'm gonna be going from that. Hopefully I can insert like something going from that to this. Give it bad, bitch. Okay, give it bad, bitch. So if you want to see how I went from Queen Latifah and Set It Off to this, stay tuned. 2 parts. Okay, so first and foremost, let's move this out the way. Oh yeah, if you've seen this one as the first video, check out the actual first video of me going from Queen Latifah to some pressure. Some pressure. Oh, almost pressure, because we gotta see how this one look when I take this out. But yeah, check out the first video too, okay? It's very beginner friendly. Like, this is seriously beginner-ish. Okay, so this is where we are now. This is where we are. No glue, y'all. This is 100% glueless. Okay, I got a little even in it, but ain't no glue. Okay, got a little bond. Got a little bond, but ain't no glue. Okay, so let's figure out how we're about to do this, because y'all, this is where I struggle at.
Ooh, I'm gonna put a study to the.
This hair in my face is getting on my nerves. So I'm gonna just hope I don't fuck up, y'all. I just have to get that out my face so I can figure out what I'm about to swoop wear. So we're gonna use my toothbrush wherever I put it. There it is. So I can kind of like mimic where I want the stuff to go. That's my struggle right now, but what we gonna do? Get it done.
I told him I would get it right. Yeah, whip a Tesla off the fucking line. I got hella bangs on me. Fuck a sing along. They won't ever bang on me while I got this Glock. Only.
I cannot find my two-sided little comb thing. That's what I like to use, but I don't know where it is.
But I can't never love a bitch like ooh. I'm gonna put a study to the side. She keep coming at me every day and night. When I left in my life started feeling right. Yeah, yeah, ooh. These days I do anything I like. Grinding for this life every.
So now we're gonna put the baby queen and do the bottom part. I don't need it to be even. It was even. Let's not use that side. Because I want them to stay. I don't even know what I was saying before I was rudely cut off by my battery dying. My battery seems like a real big hater right now, but it's okay because we're gonna finish this out strong. Okay, whatever. We're going to be putting in some curls. I don't know, for some reason I guess I don't know. I don't like this one because I don't be doing it right, I guess, but we gonna learn because I don't do this hair shit, but I'm gonna learn how to do this hair shit. So I have this Conair Nano. What is it? What is it though? It says it's by Conair Pro, and then this part is sticky right now, but it comes off. So I'll be trying to get everything to make these curls stay, and I don't be wanting to stay. I'm gonna try to like do that. We don't know how it's gonna come out, but we gonna try together. I can't even tell you what inch this is, but it's hot. So what do y'all do to keep y'all curls in? Because I don't know. My curls just don't love me. They don't want to stay. Like my ex. No, I'm stupid. No. But for real, what y'all be doing to keep y'all curls in? I need answers. I need answers. So, I'm gonna do a quick curl. Quick one. It's not a wand, it's a barrel. Quick barrel curl, bitch. Just gonna clip that out the way. Put it in half, clip it out the way. I have this piece here. And I need to get some spray. Y'all, look what was just sitting in my drawer, sitting up on the side like this. Up in the drawer. This is what I needed to do my, you know what, I'm not going mad. Because hopefully it comes out cute, so that's just God telling me I can do it with other things, okay? Not just limited to one.
When I left, I told him I would get it right. Yeah, yeah.
I didn't want to do it this way, but we're gonna have to do it this way. So I'm gonna hold it here for like, each piece I'm gonna hold for like a minute. Instead of me like making it go around to where it goes like that, I'm gonna go like to where it stays flat. See? We're gonna try that now.
Ooh, these days I do anything I like. Granted for this life every day and night. When I left, I told him I would get it right. Yeah, yeah. Break bread and break hearts. Don't get me started now. Break up, you break down. I'm getting money now.
See, that's what the freak I want. This is better. That's what I want.
Yeah, yeah, ooh. These days I do anything I like. Granted for this life every day and night. When I left, I told him I would get it right. Yeah, yeah. Break bread and break hearts. Don't get me started now. Break up, you break down. I'm getting money now. Fuck love, I can't trust. I'm too damn jaded now. Break laws, got lockjaw. Little shawty tweaking now. I fell in love with a moolah. I need my wrist like a cooler. She got get head like a tutor. Wanna love but she a loser. Me and my brothers ran through her. She know that I'm a straight shooter, so my chick bad like Luda. Ooh, I'm gonna pull a shawty to the side. She keep coming at me every day and night. When I left and my life started feeling right. Yeah, yeah, ooh. These days I do anything I like. Grinding for this life every day and night. When I left, I told him I would get it right. Yeah, yeah. Whip a Tesla off the fucking lot. I got hella bangs on me. Fuck a sing along. They won't ever bang on me while I got this Glock. Only talking big money, cause I love the guap. I'm flipping big bags in a fresh cash, no tic-tacs. My life look like Six Flags, they big mad, I know that. Bitch, I'm front of V, so you know my fit on drip, drip, drip. C'est c'est la vie, when I hit that bitch, then tip, 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 yeah. I got too much on my mental, cause I done made it out of Central. Now I'm the one they shorty into, but I can't ever love a bitch like, ooh. pull a shawty to the side. She keep coming at me every day and night. When I left them, my life started feeling right. Yeah, yeah, ooh. These days I do anything I like. Grinding for this life every day and night. When I left, I told them I would get it right. Yeah, yeah.
I had to delete some stuff. I need to comb them out. I'm about to get cute so it could all make sense. You know, I gotta get cute so it can all make sense. Okay? Just bear with me. Give me a little time. I'm about to get cute. Okay, y'all. So I ended up painting this hair because I'm like, I need to give real curl and not fake curl, okay? Not it was a curl. I need to give it's curl right now. Okay, so I just pinned it with what I had. Some got bobby pins, some is actual duck clips, and I don't even know what these are called, but I was pinning it. I think that here's another. This big duck here is softly, you know, do that because I want that to go like that. It's giving body. Just okay, so give me that. It's giving body, y'all. It's giving body. It's giving bounce. Okay. What I needed it to give, okay? I know y'all probably was like, oh, I don't know how this go end out, but you know, you gotta practice on the baby hair a little more, but I feel like it's okay for what it's needing to be right now. I feel like it's giving. I feel like it's giving bad bitch. Is it giving bad bitch to you? Cause I feel cute, even if nobody else like it. I feel cute, and that's all that matters. Okay, let's put you back up here with me. It was giving struggle earlier, huh? I know, it was really giving struggle. It was giving struggle, but we figured it out to be anymore. That Evan, that is the mother freaking one, okay? It is the mother freaking one. I'm not even sure how the back is looking, but I don't want any kind of little tangles back there, anything like that. Yes. Okay, so this is the final look, y'all. For whoever tuned in all the way to the end, I appreciate you for giving me a view. Now, if you like me, like my vibe, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me, like my vibe, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Like that. If you feel like my vibe, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Okay. Well, this is Shay, and I'm out. Baddies.